Hey travelers, so today I'm going to show you how paying your rent can help you travel for free. I got the Bilt card not too long ago and I absolutely love it because normally when I wanted to pay my rent and I was trying to use my credit card, there was like a $50 to sometimes $100 fee. But Bilt eliminated that. So with your Bilt card, every time you pay your rent, you get 1 times the points for each dollar, which then you can transfer to the many transfer partners and literally travel for free because the transfer partners include airlines and hotels. So let's see how it works. I need to travel to Boston soon and I wanted to use points. So why not do it with you? So at the top of my screen, you can see where it says travel. You can also see how many points I have. Since I've already booked the flight, my points have gone down, but let's actually do it again together. I'm going to go ahead and hit travel at the top. This brings you to the travel page. I'm going to search through travel partners. So right here, just because I don't really like booking through portals, I kind of like to book with the actual airline. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and go ahead and enter the information in to start looking for a flight. What I really love about this is once I enter in all my information, I'm going to be able to see multiple airlines at once, so I no longer have to go to a ton of different websites to do this search. It is now searching for me, and you notice that it says point me at the top. Bilt partners with Point Me to show every single airline and hotel that Bilt has a partnership with is now going to show on this site. American Airlines is going to show up, Alaska, Hyatt if I was searching for hotels. What also is really cool is that if you have an American Express, they also have a partnership with Point Me. But if you don't have a credit card that has a partnership with Point Me, go ahead and pay for it on your own if that's something you're interested in. But for now, let's actually look at some flights. So this 740 is like the perfect flight for me. And it's telling me I can book through Alaska, or if you click here, it'll tell you where else you can book and how much. This British Airways is very expensive. Probably not going to do that, or this Cathay Pacific, because the taxes on that flight looks really expensive. But let's look at some others. Alaska has a partnership with American Airlines because they're part of the same alliance. So pretty much whenever you go into the Alaska app or on their site, you're able to book American Airlines. Bilt does not have a partnership with American Airlines anymore, but I'm so happy they have Alaska because it still allows me to use points to book with American Airlines because I don't have American Airlines credit card and I haven't really been doing a good job of earning American points. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more, and they also have a Delta flight that I could book through Virgin, and let's see, United is here. It's mainly American and United. The Delta flight is interesting because I've been looking at Delta all morning, and I haven't been able to actually find a really cheap Delta flight because when I'm on the website, they're costing me like $7,000, $10,000, even $20,000. And so this is really interesting. I don't want a morning flight, so I'm not going to book this, but I like that. I'll also show you what it looked like on Delta for me because these flights were so expensive. So now that I know how to book it, I'm actually going to have to go back into Bilt because I know I want to book through Alaska and I'm going to need to transfer those points to Alaska. So I'm back in the Bilt app, and now I'm going to be able to actually do the transfer. So at the top, you would click on transfer. And then anything that is checked means I've set up my accounts with them and I've now linked them. So you can see I've set up 3 accounts and they're linked. I can also look at the hotels. I love Hyatt, and that's linked as well. When I'm ready to transfer, I will hit transfer. Type in the number of points I want to transfer and then hit next. Since I've already done the transfer, I'm not going to transfer any more points right now. I'm just going to show you what it now looks like to go on the Alaska site and actually find that flight. Now, once you've transferred points and you get the confirmation, head to the airline site. So I'm on the airline site. I've already logged in, and now I'm going to go ahead and look for that American flight. I'm going to use miles, and I am booking a one-way, so I'm going to type in that information. LaGuardia to Boston, and with a departure date in December. And I'm going to click on Find Flights. All right, so that flight was at around 7:40. And as you can see, let me scroll down, the flight is here. It's 4,500 miles in $19. So all I have to do is hit Add to Cart. It's telling you I don't have enough miles because I've already actually purchased the flight, but I just wanted to show you how you could purchase the flight. And then I would just hit continue to check out. When you first log in, it's also a good idea to actually just make sure the miles are there. It is an instant transfer from Bilt, and so I can kind of show you I have 500 miles left because I transferred 5,000 this morning in order to purchase my flight. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or you need to show me anything else. But remember, you could be earning free travel by paying your rent with the Bilt credit card.